Welcome back, Crammers, to question 2. Write these numbers in order of size. Start with the smallest number. First, we can see that we have 4 figures here, so we can simplify all of these to 4 figures. Now that they're all formatted, we can see that 2.001 is the smallest. Then we have 2.07. Then we have 2.1. Then 2.12. And finally 2.19. Write down the value of 6 in the number 54.623. Since it's right after the decimal, this is tenths. Tenths. Write the number 3.4896 correct to 2 decimals. So if this is the second decimal, we look at the value after it, which is 9. And according to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 to 4 we round down, 5 to 9 we round up. Since it's 9, that means we round this value up. So instead, we have 3.49. Write 0.6 as a percentage, and percentage is to 100. So we simply multiply this by 100. So you can move the decimal to the right 2 times. 1, 2. And we have 60%. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.